Hello everyone, this is Vistra from Paper Seasoning, and in this video I will be making this gorgeous book cover for my planner junk journal. Stay tuned to see my process. Okay, first I take a piece of cardboard and I am going to cut it down to size that I chose, which is 9 by 5 3/4, and I will leave the measurements that I used on the board here on your screen. And if you would like to use my measurements as a guide. Now I'm getting the Maggie Holmes cardstock from the Flourish collection, and I chose the pattern that wasn't too overwhelming and busy, just something that would look good if I embellish it. And so this is the one that I chose, and I'm just cutting it down to size. Now when you turn it over, make sure that your design is going exactly the same way. You don't want one upside down and then your book will come out wrong. I am going to measure 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom and 3/4 of an inch down from the top, so that it'll give me a guide for my cardboard. I don't want my design to come out crooked or whatever. Just want it to be even up front, stay even. I use PVA glue, and I kind of, spread it all over and move my cardboard a little bit just to spread the glue a little. Now, when I put that down and I get ready to put my spine on there, I do put my spine on the right side so that the seam of the cardstock will be on the back, if that makes sense. Make sure to leave a little space in between your spine and the front cardboard so that your book can bend. And everything looks pretty good. Everything seemed to have lined up. Kind of giving the cardstock a little fold so that it'll be easy to fold in. I'm going to trim my corners, but not too close. I need to leave a little bit just for folding. And I speed through the gluing process. It was kind of a boring. Don't think you really want to see me just glue all 4 sides down, but just glue all 4 sides. And I did take my bone folder and kind of, emphasize that opening beside the spine. Everything looks good. I like how it turned out. Now, to do the inside, you will need to get another piece of cardstock, and I used the Maggie Holmes Shine collection, and I found this gorgeous piece here, and I am going to cut it down. Now when I glued this first side, I messed up, so don't do what I did this first side that I glued down, because I made a mistake and bent the book. Folded up. Don't fold it up. When I do the next side, that side would be the correct way. So it was just a trial and error. I thought I would just leave it in there to show that, hey, mistakes does happen, but you move along and learn from your mistakes. So on the next side, I did learn to just leave it flat and lay it out. Make sure you emphasize that opening with your bone folder by the spine. And to make it look a little bit better, to cover up that spine, I did cut a 1-inch piece, the length of the opening, and place it there to make it look neat. And there, it's finished. Except I decided that I did want pockets. Everything folds nicely. So now I am going to look in the collection and try to find a paper for the pocket. And I chose this pink on pink diamond. I thought it was just gorgeous. Pink on pink diamond. Beautiful piece of paper. And you can, I didn't put the measurements on there about what size the pocket was. You can make your pockets however you like. This is just, I wanted pockets in the front and the back. And once I get those glued down, everything is pretty much finished. I used the book to press it down evenly. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye-bye.